My brain's on low battery. But hey, can you hold your breath for this? Picture this. I'm light as a feather. Yeah, super light. But even the Hulk couldn't grip me for 5 seconds flat. Wait, what? The stronger you are, the quicker I slip away. No muscles needed. It's all lungs and lies. Or is it? My head hurts already. 1 in 50 geniuses get this before gasping. Drop your guess below or admit defeat in the comments before I pass out.